Hi everybody, Sean Balcom from Flagstar Bank. Wanted to give you an update. Today's October 20th, 2025. And some great news. Rates are at 3-year lows. I just looked in. Mortgage News Daily has the 30-year fixed rate at 6.22%. That's the lowest level we've seen in 3 years. Last fall we saw levels this low and then they shot right back up. This fall the rates have stayed right about where we're at, which is great news. I've heard reports of more inventory out there, so that's great news for our buyers. The message I'm trying to get out to my buyers is this could be the time, and of course, if rates go down further, they can always refinance in the future. As far as the mortgage rates themselves, so we had the recent Fed rate cut. There's talk of more Fed rate cuts. Those are priced into the mortgage rates. So if the Fed were to come out and say, hey, we're going to cut rates more at our next meeting, or we're planning even more Fed rate cuts, you would see mortgage rates go down immediately. Conversely, if they said, you know what, we're not going to cut rates and the whole market thinks they are, then you would see the mortgage rates go up immediately. So it's not about what happens on Fed rate cut day as far as the actual rate cut. That's the short-term Fed funds rate. It's about what they're saying. One interesting thing I read was about the Fed's holdings of MBS, which stands for mortgage-backed securities, and how they're looking to treat those. There's talk in the market, doesn't mean it's going to happen, that they may hold on to some of their MBS holdings a little bit longer or allow them to run off slower. If this happens, this just means the Fed is retaining more of the mortgage-backed securities, which is going to keep rates from going up. So this is a way that they can more directly impact mortgage rates. They can become a buyer of the mortgages, which in turn drives their rates down. Something called quantitative easing, which was done back in the financial crisis, after the financial crisis. So now's a good time. And if you have questions on this stuff, please reach out to me. And as always, we appreciate your business and thank you.